Beautiful stuff. Keep going, mate. Come on. Yeah. Makes it look so easy.
You're way out of the G-Mex Mountain bike show.
Here we go, look at that. Beautiful. Where are we off to now then, young man? Got a bit of target practice? There? Yeah? Okay, let's see if we can hit the fan first time. Yeah, fantastic. Here we go. Whoa, don't do that, frightens me.
Yeah.
Here we go. Beautiful. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Beautifully done. 40 inches. Yeah! Oh. Here we go then, come on. Up and on, beautiful. No, no. Here we go then. Stop. Beautiful, look it going. He's getting faster. Here we go. All the way down. And this is the hard bit. Turn around and come back again. Here we go. Oh, that's close. I'll give you that one. There we go, well done, fantastic. Right, Chris, last, oh yeah. Now you got trouble, mate. Where's he going now? Come on, let's give him a big cheer, this is big stuff. 2 wheels, 1 wheel. Where are you going now? Oh, Christ. Here we go. Safe to the floor. Look at that, fantastic. Thank you very much. See you all later.